The Supreme Court of India has ruled that determining the creamy layer status among other backward classes cannot be decided solely on parental income. The court also observed that treating employees of private companies and public sector undertaking differently from government employees while deciding eligibility for OBC reservations would amount to hostile discrimination. A bench comprising Justices P.S. Narasimha and R. Mahadevan dismissed appeals filed by the Government of India and upheld earlier rulings of the Delhi, Madras and Kerala High Court. These cases dealt with the eligibility of candidates claiming OBC benefits in civil services examinations. While delivering the judgment, the court clarified that identifying whether a candidate belonged to the creamy layer or non-creamy layer among OBCs cannot be determined purely on the basis of income criteria. The bench also noted that although caste may reflect historical disadvantage, it should not be treated as the sole factor in determining social backwardness. According to the court, the exclusion of the creamy layer within backward classes is not just a matter of policy but a constitutional requirement. The principle aims to ensure that the benefits of reservation reach those who are genuinely social and educationally disadvantaged rather than being taken away by relatively advanced sections within the backward classes.